So, how do you actually say goodbye in Thai? Is it always the same word? Or does it depend on who you're talking to? In this video, we'll explore the most common Thai phrases used to say goodbye. From what friends say to each other, to what you'd say in a more respectful or formal setting. This is just part one of a full guide. And today, we'll begin with the basics. The everyday phrases that real people use in real conversations. Stay with me until the end of this series, because Thai goodbyes are not just about words. Tone matters. Politeness matters. Even body language can change the meaning. And hey, if you're new here and you're enjoying learning Thai step by step, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Let's start with the simplest Thai goodbye, and this might surprise you. Did you know the Thai word for hello is also used to say goodbye? That word is
สวัสดี สวัสดี
It doesn't literally mean hello. It actually comes from Sanskrit and means something like well-being. But in Thai, people use it when they meet and also when they say goodbye. Now, how do you make it polite? For men, you say
สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ
For women, you say
สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
This phrase is polite and can be used when saying goodbye. But it's more common in formal situations, like when ending a phone call politely, leaving a meeting, or saying goodbye to someone you respect, like a teacher or an elder. In daily life, Thai people often say more casual phrases instead of this one. But when you want to show respect,
สวัสดี
it is always a safe and polite choice. Another super common and very casual Thai goodbye is actually a borrowed English word.
บาย บาย
Yep, it's just like in English. Thais say this all the time with friends, family, or even with kids, always in a friendly tone. It's cheerful, simple, and perfect for casual situations. But remember, it's not formal. You wouldn't say this to your boss or teacher. For example, imagine you're leaving a hangout with your friends. You might say,
ไปแล้วนะ บาย ไปแล้วนะ บาย
that means, I'm heading out now, bye-bye. And you'd probably say it with a smile and a wave. Now here's another super informal one.
หวัดดี หวัดดี
This is actually a shortened version of
สวัสดี
It's like dropping the first syllable, just like we sometimes say sup instead of what's up. Thai people use
หวัดดี
with close friends. You'll hear it when they arrive or when they're leaving. But don't use it in formal situations. It's really just for peers, friends, or people you're close with. And here's a little tip. When you say
หวัดดี
you don't usually add the polite words like
ครับ
or
ค่ะ
because that sounds too mixed. Instead, just say
หวัดดี
or
หวัดดีนะ
if you want to sound friendly. Next up is one of the most natural and popular ways Thai people say goodbye to someone they know well. You'll often hear the word
เจอกัน เจอกัน
Let's break it down.
เจอ เจอ
Means to meet.
กัน กัน
Means each other or together. So,
เจอกัน
it literally means meet each other. But in everyday Thai, people use it just like we say see you or catch you later. It's casual, easy, and sounds friendly. You'll hear it between friends, classmates, or coworkers of equal status. It's not too formal, not too relaxed, just right for most social situations. You can also add a time if you know when you'll see them again. For example,
เจอกันพรุ่งนี้ เจอกันพรุ่งนี้ เจอกันพรุ่งนี้
that simply means see you tomorrow. And if you want to make it sound a bit softer or warmer, just add
นะ นะ
at the end. So it becomes
เจอกันนะ เจอกันนะ
like saying see you, okay? With a kind tone. Now, let's look at a slightly warmer version of this phrase.
เจอกันใหม่ เจอกันใหม่
Means see you again. Here.
ใหม่ ใหม่
Means again or new. So, it literally means meet again. It's also informal to neutral, but it adds a little more emotion. You might use it after spending time with someone you enjoyed being with. Think of moments like, it was great catching up, let's do this again soon. In that case, you could say,
เจอกันใหม่นะ เจอกันใหม่นะ
see you again, okay? This version sounds a bit more caring or affectionate. It's great for situations like leaving a dinner with friends, saying goodbye after a weekend trip, finishing a meaningful conversation. It's a friendly, sincere goodbye that feels like you really hope to meet again soon. Now here's another variation that's super common in everyday speech.
แล้วเจอกัน แล้วเจอกัน แล้วเจอกัน
Means see you later, or then we'll meet. Here's how it works.
แล้ว แล้ว
Means then or after that. So,
แล้วเจอกัน
gives the idea of alright, we'll see each other again after this. This phrase is also informal to neutral and very commonly used in conversation, especially when ending a chat, wrapping up a meetup, or just saying bye for now. Here's an example.
ต้องไปแล้วนะ แล้วเจอกันพรุ่งนี้บ๊ายบาย ต้องไปแล้วนะ แล้วเจอกันพรุ่งนี้บ๊ายบาย ต้องไปแล้วนะ แล้วเจอกันพรุ่งนี้บ๊ายบาย
That means, I've gotta go now. See you tomorrow. Bye. Quick note here, some learners mix up the word order and say,
เจอกันแล้ว
but that's not right. It sounds a bit awkward in Thai. Stick with,
แล้วเจอกัน แล้วเจอกัน
it's the natural way to say it. So, let's quickly go over those three phrases again.
เจอกัน
See you. Use it for most friendly goodbyes, simple and clear.
เจอกันใหม่
See you again. Use it when you've had a good time and want to meet again soon.
แล้วเจอกัน
See you later. It's perfect for ending a chat or leaving with a friendly wave. All three are casual and natural. Use the one that feels right for your situation, or mix them up if you like. Want to keep it simple? Just say,
เจอกันนะ เจอกันนะ
short, sweet, and always friendly. Before we wrap up this first section, there's just one more phrase I want to highlight. But hey, if you've enjoyed this so far, would you mind hitting that like button? It really helps support what I do here. And a huge thanks to everyone who's been helping me through channel memberships and super thanks. Seriously, I appreciate you so much. Okay, now, here's a slightly more formal way to say see you again in Thai. You might hear the phrase,
พบกันใหม่ พบกันใหม่
let's break it down.
พบ พบ
This means to meet, but it's more formal than the word.
เจอ
And
กันใหม่ กันใหม่
means again together. So the whole phrase
พบกันใหม่
means see you again. But it sounds a little more polite or traditional than the casual
เจอกันใหม่
we learned earlier. And before we wrap up for real, there's one last bonus phrase that you might come across when learning Thai. But listen closely because it's almost never used in real life. You might hear this taught as a proper goodbye.
ลาก่อน ลาก่อน
It sounds like farewell. Let's break it down.
ลา ลา
Means to part or to take leave.
ก่อน ก่อน
Means before or first. So together.
ลาก่อน
literally means something like depart for now or simply farewell. But here's the thing. This phrase is super formal and has a very final tone to it. It feels like something out of a dramatic movie, like you're leaving forever. And that officially wraps up part 1 of this Thai goodbye guide. In the next section, we'll go even deeper. What do Thai people say when they want to leave politely? Not just bye, but how to excuse yourself respectfully, whether you're at work, at someone's house, or talking to a teacher. So stay tuned for part 2. See you there.